आइए आज आपको सुल्तानपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी की सैर कराएं। वेलकम नेचर enthusiast to Sultanpur National Park Bird Sanctuary, nestled in the heart of Gurgaon. Today let's embark on the virtual journey through this avian heaven, celebrating the beauty of diverse bird species and the serenity of nature. Nestled just a stone's throw away from Delhi NCR, Sultanpur National Park emerges as a heaven for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Let's dwell into the finer details of this avian paradise. Sultanpur National Park Bird Sanctuary, where every flutter of wings tells a story. Join us as we explore the wonders of Gurgaon avian paradise. Winged wonders of Sultanpur, a glimpse into Gurgaon's avian paradise. So, whether you are a seasoned bird watcher, a family seeking a weekend escape, or a photography enthusiast, Sultanpur National Park welcomes you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. One of the highlights of Sultanpur is the migratory birds that grace the park during the winter months. Flamingos, sarus cranes, and various species of ducks transform and landscape into a vibrant tapestry of colors and sounds. घूमने आए हैं? हाँ। अच्छा, कहाँ से? छपरा बिहार से। आपको ये जगह कैसे पता चली?
ये हम लोग सुल्तानपुर में रहते हैं।
अच्छा,
वो लोग बताए, हम लोग आए।
तो अभी क्या क्या देखा आपने यहाँ पे?
पंछी बहुत प्रकार की है सब।
अच्छा,
देश विदेश वाले भी है, अपने देश के भी है,
हाँ,
अदर कंट्री की भी है।
अच्छा, अच्छा लग रहा है। क्या नाम है आपका? अमरीश कुमार। क्या करते हैं?
अभी हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट चलता है।
अच्छा, काम करते हैं। गुड। आपका क्या नाम है? अनीश यादव। वाह यादव जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मौसम भी अच्छा है, आज देखने में भी अच्छी चीज़ें मिली होंगी। गुड, ऑल द बेस्ट। Sultanpur National Park is not just a heaven for bird watchers, it's a place for families to connect with nature with well-maintained trails, bird hides, and interpretative centers. It provides an educational experience for visitors of all ages. Spread over acres of lush greenery, Sultanpur National Park is a paradise for bird lovers. Home to over 250 species of birds, this sanctuary provides a refuge for migratory and resident avian communities alike. The serene water bodies within the sanctuary offer the perfect backdrop for bird watching. Capture the moment as painted storks gracefully wade through the water and kingfishers dive skillfully to catch their prey. Majestic flamingos, elegant sarus cranes, and spirited ducks make Sultanpur their winter home. These migratory wonders embark on an incredible journey, traveling thousands of miles to find solace in the sanctuary's serene water bodies. The strategic location of Sultanpur, a merely 15 to 20 kilometers from the nearest city, makes it easily accessible for quick nature escape. But what is the best time to witness the breathtaking avian spectacle? The months from October to March are ideal as these witness the arrival of migratory birds from regions as far as Europe, Siberia, and Central Asia. These winged visitors turn Sultanpur into a vibrant kaleidoscope of colors and melodies.